Ladies and gentlemen, today we are talking about the Cryptotag, which is tailor-made to protect you from the accidental damage or destruction of your hardware wallet seed phrases to protect your cryptocurrency at all costs. As you may know, protecting your seed phrases is the most important part of holding cryptocurrency on hardware wallets, and this device is there for you for that very purpose. So let's take a look. So let's take a look inside the box. We have the anvil here on the left, which is what holds the Cryptotag during engraving. You have the guide rail or the bit guide that helps you line up your bits while engraving. You also have the bits themselves here, which are just pieces of metal that fit right into that guide plate. You also have the Cryptotag itself, which is 2 plates sandwiched together, and a 2-pound mallet that's provided in the kit. These bits are lettered A through Z and are used to fill out your seed phrase on the device itself. Let's open this bad boy up. It's closed with 2 pins, and these are 2 titanium plates with 24 spaces on each. Note that on the left side is 1 through 12 and on the right side is 13 through 24. That will be important when we are engraving the device. The Cryptotag is made of high quality titanium metal that can handle impact from a speeding bullet, acid, water, extreme heat up to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and even all these crushing and rolling and overall destructive forces that are there to potentially destroy your seed phrase. Not only is the Cryptotag designed to take all of this abuse, it's also designed to maintain the ability for you to read your seed phrase even after all of that stuff happens to it. Jameson Lopp and Cryptotag themselves have really taken the Cryptotag to its limits, and every single test that they threw at it, including shooting it with a gun, rendered it completely usable. You could still read that seed phrase on there, and that's a great peace of mind to have. This device is serious quality, and that's not something that I throw around lightly. The oxide layer that is formed during titanium's manufacturing process really protects this device from water, corrosion in general, and makes it extremely durable in all sorts of scenarios. Now, you may be wondering, well, why would I choose this over some of the other options? Because there are quite a few. For example, the Crypto Steel and the Billfoldal are both devices that are 304 stainless steel. They have good heat tolerance, but they have a bunch of little tiny stainless steel pieces that, in my opinion, are a real pain to use when you put your seed phrase into the device. To me, and after using this Cryptotag myself, and having owned all of the other aforementioned stainless steel backup devices, the Cryptotag is by far my favorite, and I wanted to walk you through the engraving process on the titanium plates right now. So let's hash it out and take a look. You can fit one whole 24-word seed phrase on one plate of the 2 you get, but keep in mind that 1 through 12 is on the left, 13 through 24 is on the right. When you're ready to engrave, you want to make sure your anvil is placed above a table leg somewhere stable and that your Cryptotag locks in nicely. And you'll want to test to make sure that it's not going to slide around on that rubber foot. Once you're ready to go and everything's secure, you want to go ahead and put your guide rail or the bit guide into the topmost slot on the Cryptotag, as you can see right here inside your anvil. Once everything is secure in your anvil, you're going to pick the bits that you need to engrave your seed phrase. Each of these relates to one letter, as you would expect, and you want to make sure that you are lining it up with the Cryptotag name text facing you. So when you're hammering it in, it's going to be the right side up. When you hammer it in, hold the bit and give it 3 solid taps. It's going to be a little bit loud, but it will give you the results that you want. I would recommend going ahead and checking your work every single time you punch in a word, and you're only going to need the first 4 letters of your BIP39 seed phrase, so keep that in mind. Everything engraves nicely and you have a nice secure backup. So let's talk dollars and cents, the cost of the Cryptotag. The Cryptotag Starter Kit that comes with all the stuff you saw in that intro sequence, the hammer, the anvil, the bits, the 2 Cryptotag plates, all of that stuff, that comes in at 170 euros or 190 US dollars. At around $200 US, it definitely is an expensive device, and originally I balked at the price tag myself before I got to use this product. First and foremost, everything about this kit is of the highest quality possible, and the customer service is there to back it up. But second of all, when you compare it to the actual cost of its competitors like the Crypto Steel, for example, the cost really isn't that crazy. The fact that for $200 I can protect all of the hardware wallets that I use every single day, protect their seed phrases, it's not that crazy to me. And to get the 48 word capacity that you get on the Cryptotag out of the box in the billfold or the Crypto Steel, you're still in at around $150 to $175 to get those kits with enough capacity to match the Cryptotag. So at that point, you're only about $25 to $50 max off of the price of the Cryptotag. And in my opinion, the higher quality speaks for itself, and it's worth that extra money. To me, for that extra little bit of money, I'm getting much better corrosion resistance, better durability overall, and I won't have to deal with any of those little steel letters that you have to use with the Crypto Steel and other products. That's just a personal preference for me. You can also buy 2 more Cryptotag plates on their own without the hammer and anvil and stuff for 119 US dollars. So if you have more wallets that you want, you can get more titanium plates to fill with your seed phrases. Now, if you're interested in picking up your very own starter kit for the Cryptotag, definitely check out the link in the description and the pinned comment below, as I've left a link straight to their store to pick up your own Cryptotag. So what are my overall thoughts? Well, I think the Cryptotag is the Rolls-Royce of crypto seed phrase backup devices that are out there today. It matches all the criteria that I have for a good, solid crypto backup, and I'm very happy with the product that I have. I will be switching over all my seed phrases to Cryptotags for sure, and it performs just as well as the price tag would denote. Everything is high quality. Overall, just a few pluses and minuses here to make it very clear. This is the most durable seed backup device. It is a heck of a time, super fun to set up and use. Hammering in those letters is a lot of fun. There's amazing detail and attention to the design of the actual product itself. And finally, they have a top quality team behind the scenes doing the customer service and everything. They support their product. Now, a couple of things that I don't like: it is expensive. Obviously, I still think it's worth it, but it is expensive. And 2, it is not reusable. So you can't, once you engrave the plate, wipe the slate clean and engrave a new seed phrase. So if you switch your seed or you get a new wallet or whatever, you will have to get more plates, and that sucks, but that is the cost of security. Guys, that said, please do not forget to watch more of my content on the channel, and I thank you so much for all the time that you spend on my channel. Thank you guys very much. Cheers.